The opposition turns up the heat against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, submitting a notice to move a no-confidence motion against him. The notice, signed by 118 MPs, levels 4 charges. On February 2nd, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi was not allowed to complete his speech. He was reading from a magazine article quoting General M.M. Naravne's unreleased book. The notice claims Speaker arbitrarily suspended 8 opposition MPs for entire budget session. The opposition alleges that the Speaker allowed a BJP MP to make personal attacks on 2 former Prime Ministers without reprimanding him even once. And finally, the opposition accuses the Speaker of falsely claiming that Congress MPs planned an untoward incident targeting Prime Minister. The Speaker had claimed the Prime Minister dropped his speech on his request.
क्या नेता विपक्ष स्वतंत्रता से देश की लोकसभा में अपनी बात रख सकते हैं या नहीं? इन प्रश्नों को लेकर ये अविश्वास प्रस्ताव आया है.
From the memoirs,
Rahul Gandhi has not signed the notice. The Congress claimed the leader of the opposition backing a motion against the Speaker would breach parliamentary convention. There are cracks within the opposition. The Trinamool Congress has stayed away from the no-confidence motion. Amid mounting accusations, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju released fresh footage of the February 4 chaos, claiming these images reveal the security threats.
हम लोग बैठे हुए थे, देखे कैसे वो आगे बढ़ी, कैसे प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी जो आगे में वहां घेर करके खड़ी थी, तो स्पीकर ने बिल्कुल सही निर्णय किया कि जो उन्होंने मना किया आप नहीं आए. राहुल गांधी जैसे अपनी पार्टी को चलाना हो चलाएं, डुबाएं, लेकिन संसद नियमों से चलेगा, कानून से चलेगा.
The opposition dismisses the charges as deliberate diversion.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister, why he wants to prove Honorable Speaker wrong? Whatever the Honorable Speaker says, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister wants to prove that the Honorable Speaker is wrong. This is first time it is happening. We are very much pained that the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. He forces the Honorable Speaker to deny the right of the opposition to speak.
As things stand, a no-trust motion, even if admitted, is bound to fall as the NDA government has the numbers. The move by the opposition, however, is to embarrass the Speaker, as no-confidence motions against the chair are a rare occurrence. Bureau Report, India Today.